Gotta go to work. I was paid $100 for a kidney, 20 for one eye and 10 for a penis. Not bad, but I will let more. My job is to kill demons. It's a tomato demon. Good job. I will pay for $100, but with interest it will be $10. That's the guy handy. It's cigarette. I will give you $1. Okay. Shoot at him. They say that bread with salt is delicious. My dream is to have sex with a girl, but I can't do it. Your father died. Now his debts are your debts. Tomorrow I'm waiting for $700. It's a demon! Do you want to kill me? Your heart, but my hand to heal. In return you will help me. Take me as a demon hunter. Okay. I have a heart disease. I will die soon. I have a job for you. I do not like you. We made a contact with a demon. These my zombies. Go to run, run, run.
Dog memory.
Let's go cut down trees. When I die, take my body. You were able to take over my body. We have a plot, so now I will give you my heart. Why are you still alive? I will kill you. If I kill everyone, the debts won't have to be paid. How do you like the graphics in this anime? Excellent. You will be my dog. Okay. What's your name? Denji. You are my dog. What do dogs say? Fuck you. If you say that again, I will kill you. I need to eat. I don't have money. I will pay for you. I think I am in love. How did you become a demon? It's a long story. Your demon lives inside you. I'm glad to hear it. I can feed you. Say I love you. This is the headquarters of demon hunters. If she loves me, then in the future we can have sex. Go change. Get to know his name Aka. Today you will patrol with him. Let's move away. Quite because you might die. You have to work for principals. You're probably here because of the makina. Guess right. Get out. When I fight with men, I only hit the balls. We were attacked by a demon that only hits the balls. Who is he? He can turn into a demon. If he tries to escape, then we will kill him. We will walk until death together. Now I will try the bread with jam. Very tasty. You fucked up knocking. Don't sleep in the toilet. There is a demon in this house. An ordinary person has been captured by a demon, and you need to kill him. Use power of a demon. Why did you kill him with conventional weapons? It's just that if you kill him with my power, he'll be very hurt. You are the only one who walks here not seriously. I didn't actually kill you with the saw because I didn't want to get the porno magazine dirty. I won't touch boob. Today will be your new partner. On my knees, people, my name is Power. Can a demon be a hunter? You go to the first task. I want to kill someone. My goals will touch boob. Smells like blood.
Да, морской огурец. Вы меня вообще понимаете? Нет, дай объясню.
This demon is my trophy. Why did you kill him without worrying? Maybe you should be killed? No, he ordered me to kill. She's lying. Only humans cheat, but demons never. I am waiting for your results. Now I drink soda, and it's like a dream for me. I'm only friends with cats. Once my cat was kidnapped by a demon, and now I am here. I want to touch boobs. If you help me save the cat, then I will let you touch the boobs. He the control. How dare he steal a cat? I will save her. Only you will fight with him, because if he sees me, he will start blackmailing me with help a cat. Okay, Makima, your task is to train the dogs and find a user for them. Okay. Demons are born already with names. The more terrible their name, the stronger the demon. Then they has a name, so... The demon is that house. Why are you going to this house? If the demon sees you, then we will lose. Your intuition is good. How long have I not eaten? Such a disgusting taste is his blood. Need to eat, baby. Give the cat back. I will eat it. Oh, what an abomination. Give me my boobs. In such a small body, such strength. Why are you still alive? And what was the power before? She is blood demon. What the fuck? Why did you save me? I let you touch my boobs. Great! Why the souls don't come out? Maybe not enough blood? You killed my husband. If you look closely, then you could say I want to kill you. What will happen to them? I will kill them. You fight for boobs, so you killed my husband because you want to touch your boobs? What a little dream. Already every person laughed at my dreams. How did you fuck up me? If you lose to me, then my dream is better than yours. Bon appetit! Now you will die. Noobs, get ready. It was I who found your right hand. We are all hunters making contracts with demons. For the use power of the demon fox, I give away part of the body. This time took a piece of skin. Power good demon? We tracked you on cameras and understand she tried to kill you. There was no such. I want to thank the Chainsaw Man. If someone finds out that Power tried to kill you, then you two will be killed. But if you agree to my terms, then I won't tell anyone. Do you will listen to me? Okay. Me with a report. Power and Edgy stumbled upon a demon. They killed one, and we killed the second. How does he wake up so early? You live in a hut, share an apartment with Power. But why me? Because I trust you. Shit, I prefer not to flush. Always need. I don't like to wash. Always need. People all naughty. Your shit is stuck in the toilet. Can you touch my boob? I love you to touch them only 3 times. You my aunt girl. How good. This is a part that enlarged the chest. Less time left. You are lucky. And that's all? I thought it would be better. You need to print here. I have reached my goal. But I expected much better. Maybe happy chasing a dream, not a dream. What are you talking about? I touched boobs for the first time but didn't enjoy it. It's all about relationships. When I take your finger in my mouth, you must recognize me. I remember everything. Denji, do me a favor.
Yes?
We'll kill the firearm demon. He first appeared in the USA. All hunters want to kill him. And if you can defeat the firearm demon, then I will fulfill your wishes. Even have sex. Story about Taki past. I want to play with my brother. Stop following me. Go home for gloves. In 5 minutes he killed 1 million people and then disappeared somewhere. I can easily overcome him. First you need to find it. This is a part of the body of a demon. If the demon is a piece of his flesh, he will become much stronger. If you get such a larger instance, then this piece of the will fly to its owner. So we will find it. We found a splinter in the fish. We received a request for strongest demon in the hotel. He might have a piece of that demon. It's the strongest demon. The one who killed the demon, I will kiss. No sex before marriage. I am not interested in your kiss. For me there is only makina. Okay, but if you kill a demon, then I will suck you. Stop! Demon here. He was very weak. This is my power. I have a contract with the ghost demon. He ate my eye. In return I can use his hand. We are now going to the 8th floor, but we are now at 7th. It turns out we are in Endel's room. Why is there another room outside the window? Bottom line, we are trapped by the demon. Wherever we go, we will always be on the 8th floor. That demon head was bite for us. My parents taught me to work as demon hunter, so that I could pay for my brother's university. Don't cry because fear helps the demon. The lock frogs and soul in all the rooms. Perhaps the demon stopped time on the 8th floor. Cool, I can sleep. Wake me up when you're done. We found some food. Aki is looking for a demon without rest. The blood demon is also strange. If I get the Nobel Prize, then all people will respect me. Then I will become president. And this I thought to smoke Aki. Do you become a hunter because you want to kill the firearm demon?
Yes.
Demons are afraid of crazy people. Because you can scare and you don't know what to expect. I have bad news. Remember the demon we killed? It grows little by little. I offer a contract. Give me a chainsaw man and we'll let you go. Denzi needs to be killed. Okay, try to summon the demon fog for little space. Maybe my ghost can handle? Useless, this is not my real body. You sit in my stomach. He offers us a contract and if we gave you to him, he will let us out. Because whoever violates the contract will die. No contracts. I will draw a sword and we will survive. Why don't you do it now? Because if he does, he will give years of his life. Only I will kill Denzi. I am the demon of eternity. You have to give him die. Die! I can let him die, as he will help me kill the firearm demon. I will jump into his mouth. I also notice that I am afraid of my soul. I will tear him until himself starts to beg for mercy. Subscribe and like.